What's up, guys? I'm Blakemore from SummitGuitarSchool.com. Today I'm teaching you Look for the Good by Mraz. It's got a great little reggae feel and a positive message and a cool chord progression, and you can't go wrong with that. We all need that kind of positivity in our lives. So with that said, let's get started. Please consider liking and subscribing. Head over to the website and subscribe to our newsletter for some extra free content. And like us on Instagram and Facebook. Let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about the chords we need for this song. All right, so there is an A minor, just like this. That's open, 2, 2, 1, open. If you want the minor 7th, that's a little funkier sounding, cooler sounding. Get rid of the 3rd finger, so that's open, 2nd, open, 1st, open. Alright, 2nd fret, 4th string, open on the 3rd, 1st fret, 2nd string, strum on the 5th down. And you've got a D minor 7th that we're going to do. Or you can do a regular D minor, I'll give you both. So here's D minor 7th. This is kind of the cooler version, I think. So it's open, 2, and then your index bar is the 1st fret of the 1st and 2nd string. And then, or you could do the D minor, which now I'm thinking about it, sounds like fits really well, maybe even better than the minor 7th. So open, 2, 3, 1, middle finger 2nd fret, 3rd finger 3rd, index 1st, just like that. All right, and then it does this G 13th chord. It's like a dominant 7th with an added 13th. We don't need to worry about exactly what that means yet. So I'm gonna do it. If you don't like that, you can just do a G and then to C, and it won't be a big deal, but I'm going to show you what they play on the recording. You got 3rd fret, 6th string, then you got 2nd, 3rd fret, 4th string, 4th fret, 3rd string, and then your pinky on the 5th fret, 2nd string. So that's, and your index kind of mutes this 5th string, and you strum from the 6th down through the 2nd, and then you do a C major 7th chord. So that's 1, 3, 2, 4. That's 3rd fret, 5th, 4th fret, or 5th fret, 4th string, 4th fret, 3rd string, and then 5th fret, 2nd string. Just like that. If you don't like the G13 or the C major 7th, you can just go G, C. If you want the C major 7th in the open position, you get rid of your index. But your G is this, 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. Alright, and your C is like this, 3, 2, open, 1. If you want the major 7th, you get rid of the index. Just like that. There's also a dominant 7th. I'll show you that once we get there. So the intro is just A minor 7th. To me, D minor 7th. All right, just one strum, G13. And then C major 7th. If you want the others, you go G to C. So, and then the second time through it goes A minor 7th to the D minor 7th. Then it goes to the regular G, and it just holds it there for 2 bars. And then it gets a little trickier, all right? It actually sounds better to bar these for this song, but I'm going to show it to you in the open position because I think that's what most people are going to be looking for here. If you do want the bar chord version, hit me up, send me a message on Instagram or something like that, and I'll break that down for you. Here's how this has got to go. You got to get like what they call a reggae skank going. So I'm going to show you an easy version. I know it's a kind of a weird name, but it's like... All right, so we won't do it that advanced, but really all we're going to do is going to go... It's on the offbeat, so you got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And what they do in like traditional reggae music and what he's doing in the song is like... So it's just more of like a bouncy type of thing, but I'll show you just an easier way. So it's like 1, 2, 3. And I'm kind of muting, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm muting on the downbeats, all right, just to make it a little easier for you guys so you don't have to do the full like skank thing. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go to A minor, 1 and 2, 3, 4. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to G, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. So that's the first verse, D minor, A minor, G, C, the first line of the verse. And then it goes, second line of the verse, D minor. I'm also kind of muting with this. I'm just kind of doing this just to kind of do it, get like a back and forth. That way it's really muted. That way you can get that full kind of reggae type sound. You know, American version of reggae sound. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4. All right, so then D minor. So the third line, D minor, 2, 3, 4, 1. Does it again, 2 measures of D minor there. G, 2 measures, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your chorus. And then it goes to the A minor, 2, 3, 4, and then to D minor, 1, 2, 3. I'm doing D minor 7th. You could do the regular D minor, 2, 3, 4, G for a bar, and 3, 4, C for a bar, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, G, C, 2, 3, 4. I am kind of like letting off of the strings a little bit as I strum those to get that kind of reggae feel going on. All right. So then you've got another verse. The only difference in this verse is it's D minor, A minor, G, C, just like the first verse for the first line. Then it's D minor, G, C, A minor. And then the third line, it changes from, it goes D minor, all right, to G, to C, to A7. Very Jason Mraz vibes there, all right? So that's third line of the third verse is D minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A7, 2, 3, 4. And on that A7, here's how I'm doing it. This is kind of how I was taught years and years ago and how I like to teach it. So it's open, 2, open, 3, well, 2, but with your third finger, and like that. So it's open, second finger, second fret, fourth string, open on the third string, third finger, second fret, second string, and you strum from the fifth down. Blues chord, bluesy, jazzy chord. And then it bounces back to the pre-chorus. All right, so that's kind of, it's kind of interesting because he goes D minor, G, C, A7, and then D minor, 2. But he does do the kind of reggae skank thing. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, and A7, 2, 3, 4, and D minor, 2, pre-chorus, D minor again, second bar, G, G again, and then he does the chorus. So this chorus is the exact same as the previous one, A minor, F, G, or A minor, D minor, G, C. Except this time, he tags at the end with, when he goes from A minor, D minor, G, he does 2 extra bars of G. So you'll hear him do it. So it's A minor, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 7, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. Then he does it again, 2, 3, 4, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and off to the solo, which is just the chorus chord. So A minor, D minor, G, C, A minor, D minor, G, C. And then the bridge, it flips it. He goes A minor, 2, 3, 4 to D minor. All right. And he does that. And then he goes G to C, and it's 4 times. So it's like A minor, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. And he does that 4 times before he goes into another chorus. And same chords as before, but on the last chorus, he does that same tag. And then he ends on a C major 7th chord, which is 3, 2, open, 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 or 1, or 3, 5, 4, 5.